Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best USB isolator is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components for anyone serious about audio quality or stable data transfer, especially when dealing with annoying hums, buzzes, or intermittent connection issues caused by ground loops in your setup, transforming a frustrating experience into crystal clear sound and reliable performance with a simple, effective solution that truly makes a difference. Number 5. Kinivo BTC450 Bluetooth Car Kit. Stay connected safely on the road. This kit allows you to answer and receive calls effortlessly with any Bluetooth smartphone. It ensures your focus remains on driving while keeping you in touch. Enjoy your favorite tunes with crystal clear sound. It seamlessly streams music from any Bluetooth-enabled device, supporting aptX for CD-quality audio. Your car becomes a concert hall. Setting it up is a breeze, requiring only a 3.5mm audio input in your car stereo. It features a built-in microphone and easy-to-use music controls. Everything you need is at your fingertips. Whether you have an iPhone, Android, or BlackBerry, this device works with them all. It's designed to connect with any Bluetooth smartphone, making it incredibly versatile. Enjoy its features no matter your phone. Experience superior audio quality for both music and calls. It delivers sound directly through your car's 3.5mm input, ensuring clear and immersive experiences. You'll notice the difference. Rest assured with a 2-year warranty. Plus, you get lifetime US-based customer support for any questions or assistance. They stand behind their product. What we like. This device offers seamless Bluetooth connectivity for your car. It provides crystal clear audio streaming with aptX support and convenient hands-free calling. If you are looking for a comprehensive car kit that also eliminates ground loop noise, this is an excellent choice for upgrading your in-car audio experience. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points can be extracted as per the instructions. Number 4. wisdDefender USB Audio Ground Loop Eliminator. Are you tired of distracting buzzing and humming noises in your audio? This innovative device is designed to eliminate those frustrating power noises and ground loops that degrade your sound experience. It works by breaking ground loops and reducing jitter, ensuring a cleaner, more beautiful sound. Experience your music and audio with unparalleled clarity and precision. Setting it up is incredibly simple. Just connect it between your USB device and your host, and it starts working immediately. It's fully compatible with both high-speed USB 3.0 and USB 2.0 devices. For optimal performance, you can plug in an external 5V power supply to its Type-C port. This ensures your USB device receives clean power without drawing from the host, rated at 5V3A. Crafted from aluminum with CNC machining, it boasts a robust yet compact design. Its small footprint makes it easy to integrate into any setup without taking up much space. Each package includes the main unit, along with a USB 3.0 Type-A to Type-C cable and a USB 3.0 Type-C to Type-A cable. You'll have everything necessary to get started right away. What we like. This isolator specifically targets USB power noise, ensuring a cleaner digital audio signal. Its unique feature is the option for an external 5V power supply, completely bypassing host power. If you have high-end USB audio devices and want to eliminate power-related noise for the purest sound, this is designed for you. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points can be extracted. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract helpful points. Number 3. Pyle PHE400 Compact Mini Hum Eliminator Box. Are you tired of that persistent 60Hz AC hum in your audio? This device safely breaks ground loops, making it impossible for signal lines to pick up that unwanted noise. Enjoy crystal clear sound without the buzz. This intelligent isolator is a passive device, meaning it requires no external power to operate. It features versatile 1.4T and XLR inputs-outputs across 2 channels. Plus, it automatically converts unbalanced signals to balanced ones without any loss. Designed for convenience, it boasts a high-performance, ultra-compact, and portable design. You can easily take it anywhere your audio needs demand. Built with high-quality components and rugged construction, it ensures the highest sonic integrity. At its core are 1:1 isolation transformers, crucial for breaking ground loops and eliminating buzz. These transformers ensure a clear, pristine sound by balancing audio lines. It seamlessly handles both mono and stereo connections. Equipped with both 1.4 TRS phone and XLR inputs and outputs, this unit offers flexible connections for various audio setups. It supports 2 channels, making it adaptable for different professional and home audio environments. We are confident in the quality and performance of this product. That's why it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Your satisfaction is our priority, no questions asked. What we like. This robust device is a professional-grade solution for eliminating persistent AC hum from your audio setup. With both 1.4 TRS and XLR inputs-outputs, it's incredibly versatile for studio or live use. If you are a musician, sound engineer, or have complex audio systems needing a reliable, passive hum killer, this unit is perfectly suited. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted as per the instructions. Number 2. ZIOCOM Ground Loop Noise Isolator. Are you tired of that persistent buzzing noise from your car audio or home stereo? This device targets and removes the ground loop noise that often occurs when your audio source and speakers share a power source. It ensures your listening experience is free from unwanted distractions. It works by instantly filtering out electrical interference. This ensures you get pure, uninterrupted sound quality every time. Enjoy your music and audio exactly as it was meant to be heard. This nifty gadget is incredibly easy to use. Simply plug it in, and you're ready to go. No complicated installations or extra steps are required. It's designed to work with any audio device featuring 3.5mm audio jacks. Whether it's your car audio system or home stereo, it seamlessly integrates. This makes it a versatile solution for various setups. Connect it to your car's AUX jack or your home stereo system. You will immediately notice the difference in sound quality. Experience your favorite audio with clarity and enjoyment. What we like. This compact gadget is incredibly straightforward, designed to instantly eliminate buzzing noise from ground loops. Its plug-and-play nature means no complicated setup is required, just connect it and enjoy. If you are looking for a simple, effective, and hassle-free solution for common 3.5mm audio buzzing in your car or home stereo, this is an ideal choice. What people say. No reviews found in the source JSON to extract points from. The provided source JSON was empty, so no positive points could be extracted. Number 1. Cable Matters 3.5mm Ground Loop Noise Isolator. Are you experiencing annoying buzzing, hissing, or humming in your car or home audio system? These unwanted sounds can significantly degrade your listening experience. This device is designed to eliminate such interferences. It effectively removes static and hum from your car or stereo audio systems. This hum filter is compatible with 3.5mm AUX ports on various devices. Enjoy your music and podcasts with pristine clarity. Specifically designed for car audio, it removes interference caused by grounding issues. This simple car stereo noise filter ensures problematic noise is eliminated when connecting phones or MP3 players to your car's AUX connector. You'll notice the difference immediately. Installation requires no tools, making it a hassle-free solution. This device offers a cost-effective alternative to expensive car stereo replacements. Correct common audio interference issues without breaking the bank. Beyond car audio, it's also compatible with TVs, computers, tablets, and phones. Any device with a 3.5mm headphone jack can benefit from its noise-eliminating capabilities. Solve humming on connections between headphones, home audio systems, and other entertainment devices. This cost-effective isolator comes complete with a 3.5mm AUX cord. You'll have everything you need to connect it right out of the box. Start enjoying noise-free audio instantly. What we like. This isolator is a comprehensive solution for various audio interferences, tackling buzzing, hissing, humming, and static. It's particularly effective for car audio systems and comes with an included 3.5mm AUX cord, offering great value. If you need a versatile and cost-effective way to clean up your 3.5mm audio connections, especially in your vehicle, this product provides everything you need. What people say. No reviews provided in the source JSON to extract points from. No reviews provided in the source JSON to extract points from. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.